Wait a minute. It's supposed to be a Surface Book too. Back to the store. There. It's a 2 now. Alright, hello and welcome to a very special episode of Laptop Retrospective. The trigger has finally been pulled, the people have been lynched, and all of those other stretched metaphors. The laptop was decided and purchased, and many of you will be excited. Some of you will feel that, I'm sure that you're like, but it's not a ThinkPad. It's okay. Not every computer has to be a ThinkPad. Not every problem has to be solved with a hammer. And that's a whole other video. But anyway, we are going to do the obligatory unboxing of the Surface Book 2. The 2 was extra. You have to buy a Sharpie and write it on yourself. And we have our unboxing tool, which is the Icorn C2000, and it is ready to unbox what we've got so far. We also have the Surface Pen, because why would you get a Surface without the pen is beyond me. So we'll look at that later because it's a pen. It's not going to be that exciting. So this is a weighty little box, and we are just going to score the plastic ever so gently because we like to keep our tools in good condition. And I'll probably go into the reasons why the 13-inch was purchased over the 15. There are many, but again, future video material. Sharp knife. And then included inside, of course, is the Surface Book, the power supply, and that is pretty much it. So let's see how it impresses. I anticipate suction. And I'm not disappointed. Oh, there it is. It's got the lift-out tab. And one thing I'll immediately say is that this hinge right here is not as abhorrently strange to hold in your hands as you might actually think. I don't know why, but I always got the impression on all the internet videos that I saw that this end would feel so much fatter than this, and I can already tell you by holding it, it is incredibly comfortable and quite brilliant. So that's a good first impression. I'm guessing this is a tube. No, it's actually probably a power supply. Out you come. Come on, boy. Out you come. Come on. Out you come. There we go. So there's your brick. It's got USB charging there. There's your Surface connector. You know, maybe one day Apple will make something like that. Yes, leave your rage in the comments below. And the book. Thank you for buying the thing. That's great. If you don't know how to computer, return to store. Okay. So, that is really all there is to that. Like, I'll open it up in a second, but very, very pretty. Let's quickly do the pen as well, which is not an inexpensive accessory, I have to say. But again, when you're spending this much on a laptop, then what difference does the pen make? Wow, I think the pen comes with more manuals and information than the actual computer does. And hopefully the battery is inside this thing already, because if not, I don't want to have to try and find a quadruple A battery on a holiday. All right. So, packaging out of the way. Let's remove it from its cage. So it's not what you could quite call a one-hand open. Magnet's too strong. And there is no protective sheet on that top glass. Yeah, it display's a little wiggly, but I'm sure I will get used to it. So the plan for reviewing this beast is very similar to what I did with the TicWatch. So it's going to happen over a very long period of time, and there is a lot of information to know and absorb about this machine, especially how I intend to use it. If, for whatever reason, you cannot wait for me to do my deep dive review, I will leave some links to some excellent videos in the description below on some channels that actually helped me decide to purchase this machine. And a special shout out in very particular order to Western Gents United for his incredible comprehensive over an hour worth of content when he reviewed the Surface Book 2. Absolutely fantastic channel. He was kind enough to give a shout out to me, and I would like to very much return the favor because he did an excellent job, in my opinion, selling the machine. Also a special shout out to MobileTechReview and Dave2D, who also had very, in my opinion, high quality videos on this machine. They didn't shy away from some of the drawbacks, but they also didn't shy away from the potential of it either. So we'll see if my conclusions are the same. I highly encourage that if you have any interest in this laptop whatsoever, I like to think I do a pretty comprehensive and complete package, so I would encourage you to subscribe, to stay tuned as I continue to do little short videos throughout the days, weeks, and months, and hopefully years that I have this machine. See you later.